Okay. About empty, okay.
Hey, Riley. Oh my god. Riley, take the sunglasses off. You're not cool.
I'm sorry?
So, what are you doing?
Me? I'm going on a date. How about you?
Oh, don't say you in date when I'm looking at your virgin face.
What?
Oh god.
I would roast you, but my mom said I'm not allowed to burn trash.
Her name is Peyton.
Oh, what is your last name?
You know, I don't really know.
You don't even know her last name.
I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll find out her last name on the date or something.
I don't really think you're going on a date. I think you're just going to McDonald's or something to fill your gut, and then you're just telling me that you're going on a date with a hot girl, so I think that, you know, you're cool.
My God! Getting up early has its reward.
Wow, that's a pretty snazzy performance there.
What do you want, Calvin?
I want you to take me to Subway.
I am not taking you to Subway. You're extremely rude.
Take me to Subway now. I want to go to Subway now.
No, I am not taking you to Subway. Shut up.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Daddy's got some campus oven fresh hot delicious
Subway.
in his tummy.
Go skydive into
Subway. Get a load at
Subway.
Yeah.